We're going to be doing this unbelievably quality Nilfisk M2 2C. This is basically an industrial Nilfisk 180 bar, but it's the industrial version. It's a 140 bar, 610 litre version, and it's got a brass cylinder head on it. It comes with all industrial stainless steel rods for the all the attachments here, which are all missing from this one, and it's now been converted for use for car detailing. So it's now got this flexible 10 metre hose on it instead of a 15 metre hose. But these cost £670, these do. So anyway, it goes right down from 140 bar, turned down with this valve here, all the way down to 50 bar in increments of whatever you turn it to, look, infinite. And then you've got your wrap around for your electric cable here. Brilliant for moving it along here. Excellent strong wheels here. I mean, this is an old power washer. This power washer is about 5 years old and it runs as good as new. I've checked the pressures on it. I'm going to show you the pressures on it. The pressures are still as good as new. The machine itself, I mean, the plastic on it, gosh, you could kick it, you can bang it, it's as strong as new. This pressure washer came from a farm and it was covered in cow shit when I got it. Basically the attachments, they were broken, the plastics were broken on it, and it needed a new hose fitting. So I thought, well, we'll convert this into a car detailing pressure washer. This handle is broken, it's got a crack here, and the cable winder that goes in here, that's also missing. So this is a £670 pressure washer that somebody can buy off of me now for £225. I'm going to put it on eBay. There'll be a link for it, and it's going to come with this Suttner 2300 gun, brand new gun, and it's going to have won't have any nozzles with it. You can buy your own nozzles, but I'll put a bare force trigger with it, and it'll have the Nilfisk quick release. So what you see here is what you're going to get for £225. You'll have to sort your own delivery out, I'm afraid. It's going to be UK mainland only. No Northern Ireland, no Scotland, none of that business. I've had it all before. I'm not putting up with that again, I'm afraid. I'm sorry about that. I've been to hell and back with that. I'm sorry about that for you people that live there, but I've had real problems with that in the past and I can't be doing with it. It's too much hassle for me. So anyway, let me demonstrate this absolutely fantastic machine, because this still runs as good as new. I'll show you the pressures. They run through this manometer, and no matter what pressure, what machine you ever put through, you always lose 50 bar. And that's, you put a brand new one on, and you put this 40 jet on, and through this pressure, you will lose 50 bar on every single pressure washer, every single time. So we're going to be losing 50. That's set to 140 at the moment. So we're looking for 90 bar here, okay? There we go, there's 90 bar. Now if I turn this down while I run it, I mean, that's just fantastic, isn't it? I mean, you've got like a low-end pressure washer all the way up to a high-end pressure washer, all in one. It's a fantastic machine, honestly. I sell the Nilfisk 180s second-hand. I sell them second-hand on eBay all day long at £325. but this is a little bit older. It's the handle doesn't lock. The button on the side here has gone a bit faulty. Oh, incidentally, it's got a where you put your water tank in here. You can put anything in there just about, because it just goes through the pump at the side. It doesn't go through the motor. So as long as you flush it out when you're done, you can put almost anything in there. You can put all your patio cleaners in it, put what you like in it. Just clean it out when you're done, because it runs through a spring and a ball bearing. And if you don't clean it out, it locks and rusts, and then it locks up. So then you've got a problem. But that deals with that. It's a robust machine, and it will last for years and years. It's a very good machine, and it will last for years and years. I've had it to pieces. I've checked it through. Everything works fine on it. So I'm going to demonstrate it on the car now. Okay. The Adams car shampoo, the total interior cleaner, the tyre shine, the detail spray, and the wheel and tyre cleaner. I'm going to go through all of these. Adams car shampoo, the total interior cleaner, the tyre shine, the detail spray, and the wheel and tyre cleaner. I'm going to go through all of these, and then I'm going to spray the wheel and tyre cleaner while that's going. Then I'm going to go around everything else. In the meantime, I'm going to be finishing off using the Nilfisk MC. So, start off, spray the tyre and wheel cleaner to begin with. Everything I can't see, of course. Yep, we're turned on. They're fairly clean, these are. I must say they're fairly clean, so we're not expecting miracles here, but I'm just demonstrating the products. They're damn good products, I must say. They really are damn good products. And I just want to demonstrate them, all of them. And there we go. So that's that bit done. Okay, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down the side of the car. Right, I will snow foam it first of all. Do the snow foam down the side of the car, and then, because the Americans do it this way, what they do, they snow foam the car and then they use it like a shampoo. So let's try that. Do you want to stand right back, please, Rebecca? We'll do that. I mean, this shows the versatility of this shampoo. You know, this is a shampoo, not a snow foam. I mean, that's a good shampoo, isn't it? Not a bad shampoo at all, that. Can't moan about that. So, there's your shampoo. Incidentally, it's one of the only shampoos that you can use in direct sunlight. You don't get water spots with it, which is absolutely phenomenal. It is, it's phenomenal, that is. To think you can't get water spots in this heat, and it is, it's bloody hot. I can tell you that for nothing, it's bloody hot. Bloody hot today. Look at that, that's as creamy as hellfire. Look at that. Look at that go. Look at that go. With the suds on the floor. This is just like the video on the Adams website, their video is exactly the same as this. There's no bullshit. No bullshit, is it? It's exactly the same. It's nice to see, isn't it, that for once things actually work the way they say they do. Pretty good, that. Impressive. It's as smooth as silk as well. It really is. And I keep saying smooth as silk, but it is. It is as smooth as silk. Crikey. That's lovely. This makes the job easy, this does. Look at that. That does make the job easy. Well, it's done. That makes life easy. Give it a good wide angle. Crikey, the muck on the floor. Let's fetch some off. Once in your life they're doing actually does what it says it's going to do. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Right, let's see if it does this, what it says, shall we? Right. Well, that's working. Yep, that's working, look. Yep, that's working. Crikey, look at that. What could be easier than that? Baking some. And you know, that's the Adams detail spray. Like one squirt on each panel. Amazing. Flipping heck. That's terrific. Not even having another squirt on this one, look, it's still going. Wow. Cloth's wet now. A bit unkind to give it a bit more to do, that is. That's amazing, that's flipping heck. It did the whole car in half an hour or more. Well, somebody that's fit would. Proper easy job. Look at that. Pick fault with that, if you can. Look at that. That's faultless. Oops, a bit coming out the door handle there, look. Just running out the door handle. Right. Need to dry the tyre. Yep, I'm just going to give the wheels a quick wash. I'll give the wheels a quick rinse because they've got the wheel cleaner on them, just to kill the acid. Well, look at the suds coming off of them. I don't think it's not acid actually. Sorry. Yes, it's not acid. It's not acid that's on them. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. It's not. These wheels are fantastic. Get all the way in the barrel with these. Lovely. It's not doing me very good. Gosh. There you go, 765 blower, along with the blower band and the stubby nozzle from the Stubby Nozzle Company. Couldn't be without it. It's a fantastic product. Now, I'm going to go now with the total interior cleaner now, and we need it to. So, okay, so if you can have a look here, because this hasn't been cleaned out all winter, look here. This is where my two chocolate labs go. This is their abode. We don't really care. It's our car, so unfortunately it gets used as a kennel in the back. We clean it out as and when it gets. It's got the dog seat covers on, and it's like new for when it gets sold. But here we go. We'll clean all this off. We'll show how this gets cleaned. We've got all this mess here, look. All this on the paint here, and all on the plastics there, look. And I'll just show how all this comes off very simply. So, quite simply, a few bits and bobs. We'll use the shampoo on the wash mitt. The ideal way of doing this, to be truthful, is Surfix HD. That's the best. I've not got any to hand. Don't get this in your speakers. Not a good idea. Don't get it in your window wiper, switches and things like that. You know, it's just for. This is just plastics. That's all. Just get it in your plastics. Clean your plastics, cleaning all the dog mess off, look, that's all. I'm just cleaning the actual mess off, that's all. Because I'll be here all afternoon otherwise, and I want to get this video done so that you poor people aren't here all night. Otherwise you'll be here all day watching this video, and there's no need for it. I'll show you how to get the car half cleaned up in no time at all. It's not so bad as what it looked like. We'll see in about 5 minutes, it'll be lovely. And yeah, we can use all the rest of the nice products afterwards. Got all sorts of nice things to do to it later, which we'll show you. I've got all sorts of nice products, but you can't use those. You've got to get through all this grime first. All the grime. Clog the washing machine filters up this well. There we go. Right, let's have a quick look how that's come up for round one. And then we'll get the cheapest here's my cheapest cleaners, cheapest microfibers I have. These came from Into Detailing in a bundle about 3 years ago, and I bought a bundle of blue, oh sorry I didn't, Becca bought them for me. A bundle, yeah, look, it's stuck, look, some bits onto them, look, from a long time ago. They were old ones. So spray a bit on there, spray a bit on there. Oh, look at that, look at the spray pad on that, look at that, it's vicious. Oh. So here we go. With this heat, we're going to need loads of it. If we'd have sprayed that on there and tried to clean that, without washing it first, we'd have probably used half a bottle of this, because it's so hot and dry. Oh, it smells nice, and I've got a faulty nose, I don't smell very well. Can you smell that?
No.
Can you not? That's strange. What do you think that looks like? That looks alright, doesn't it? Does that look nice to you?
Oh, yeah. Looks like that.
Look at the red. Look how nice that's coming up. Can you see that well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's bring the black up. That's nice. That's really nice, isn't it? Oops. I'm standing up, trying to. Look at that. The dogs won't want to get in, they'll think they're in the wrong car. Look at that. See if it cleans the windows. I bet it will. Says total interior cleaner, so is it? See, it's not bad. So hot, it's just like drying everything. So, you know, I'm not expecting it to, but it is. Look, it's drying it, cleaning it, and I wouldn't expect that. Well, there we go. Gobsmacked. Whoops. Last bit. Tired. Tyre shine, last bit. Gosh, I can hardly walk. I'm done. Crikey, what have you moved that right down there for? I can hardly walk. I've got to go and get something to put on that. I've got nothing to get on it. And finally, the Adams Tyre Shine. Lovely product, used it myself before. Wait until you see this. These are from AliExpress, less than £2. Make sure you hold these right on the brush. Look, cream up everywhere otherwise, absolutely balmy. And rub this well into the tyre. I mean well into the tyre. If you don't rub it well into the tyre, it's going to be everywhere. Nice stuff it is. Not the longest lasting stuff, but it's nice looking. It shines a lot to start with, and then it goes off. And the sheen goes off after a day. See, like we'd fetch that off there, look, with the tyre cleaner. I didn't rub it off enough on that side. You see there, look, I'd fetched it off nice and clean. I forgot to scrub it enough in my haste to get it done. But yeah, it will, the tyre and rubber cleaner, that's an extremely good product. That is, that'll fetch anything off. A really good product, that one. Use that a lot. In fact, they're all good. They're all good. They're not the longest lasting products, I must say, but for the price, I don't think you can really beat them for the price. But look at that. I mean, that's a really nice looking product, I must say. The more you rub it in, look, the nicer it looks. And you don't need a lot of it. Look. The more you look, that'll disappear. The more you rub it in, the nicer it looks. And I find I won't use a sponge with this, always a brush. Yeah, you'll always see me use a sponge with almost everything, but not with this, always a brush with this. There you go. There you go, there's a bit left there, look. What do you think to that? That's the whole side of the car done there. Inside and out. And you've never seen me do an inside and an out done before. And look at it shine. Not bad, is it? It's the whole car, isn't it, detailed? You've never seen me do that before. Okay, well, we're all finished now and tidied up, so hope you've enjoyed today. It's been a double one, the power washer and all the Adams products, so I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a bit of a tough one today for me, a bit tired, but you see the finish on the car, it's absolutely stunking. I mean, look at it, it's like silk. Brilliant products. Power washer's fantastic power washer, they're very, very strong power washer. It's about 5 years old, that power washer. It's in very, very good condition. It's been battered, but it works like a brand new one. You know, all the bits that matter, the pressures and everything, they work very, very good. It's had a new hose, and that's it, it's all that matters. But this absolutely, it's just like silk. The paintwork is beautiful on this. It's had a lot of washes this week, I know, but it really is gorgeous. Very, very pleased with the way that's gone this week. It's lovely the way that goes. I've never done that snow foam and then the wash like that, the way the Americans do it, you know, with the shampoo and snow foam all in one. So that works well. But yeah, the five Adams products all in one, cheap as well. Yeah. Anyway, thanks very much for looking. Have a great day, or whatever's left of it. Not very much now. So catch you on the next one. Thanks for looking. As always, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.